Hey guys, thanks for tuning into my second video. So today we're going to break down the Karen Reed case. So this is a case that involves allegations of murder, manslaughter, and even a law enforcement cover-up. So on January 28th, 2022, Karen and John went out in Canton. Reed drove John to the home of a Boston police officer, and when John didn't return home to Karen, Reed and her friends found his body in a snowbank when they drove back. So prosecutors claim that Reed was intoxicated, hit him with her SUV, while the defense argues that he was killed in a fight inside the home. So earlier in this month, the lead investigator on the case had to answer questions about derogatory messages that he had sent about Reed, including calling her a whack job, see you next Tuesday, and calling her other derogatory terms, accusing her of being mentally challenged. He admitted on the witness stand that those messages were juvenile and unprofessional, but he states that it didn't affect the integrity of the investigation. Jurors were shown messages from Proctor stating that Reed was a babe with no ass and was joking that he looked for nudes of her when he was searching through her phone. So here's my thoughts about the entire situation. There's just too much drama. Something doesn't add up here. So I've never seen or heard of somebody being reversed into by a car and being so injured that they end up dying. The other thing about this case that really bugs me is that the defense, in my opinion, they're doing a great job, but they need to work on Karen Reed. She's just too stoic, too uptight. She looks like she's a proxy of the defense's argument. And she honestly, at this point, I'm almost expected for her to cross-examine witnesses. She needs to loosen up. This is the death of her former lover. I think she needs to show more emotion. But you know, time's left to tell who is or if the jury's going to convict on this one. Recently, they came back and stated that they couldn't reach a conviction, and so the judge instructed them back to continue the deliberations. They're still ongoing. There's no verdict that's been reached. What do you guys think? So stay in for Justice Scoop Granted for more updates on this case.